Hey tech lovers, imagine carrying a full PC in your pocket. But wait, not just any PC, a powerful one, equipped with AMD Ryzen. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, let me introduce you to the Lunar 2-in-1 Foldable Keyboard and Mini PC. This little device is making waves on Kickstarter, and it's here to redefine portable computing. At first glance, it looks like a sleek foldable keyboard, but unfold it and you've got yourself a compact, ultra-portable PC that's smaller than a book, but powerful enough to handle serious tasks. Let's dive into the specs that make the Lunar truly impressive. Processor: AMD Ryzen 7 8840U. This is a high-performing chip that can handle anything from multitasking to light gaming. Memory options: you can choose between 16GB or 32GB of RAM, paired with 5 or 12GB or 1TB of lightning-fast M.2 NVMe storage. Ports: you get one USB 3.0 Type-A port, one USB 3.2 Type-C, and one USB 4 Type-C, perfect for connecting peripherals and external displays. Battery: a massive 59.2-hour battery, translating to around 8 to 10 hours of use. Here's where it gets really interesting. The Lunar doesn't come with a built-in screen. You might be wondering why. Well, Lunar believes that in today's world, we're already surrounded by screens. Monitors, TVs, tablets, you name it. Instead of including a power-hungry display, Lunar lets you connect wirelessly to external monitors or stream to devices like your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This way, you extend battery life and get a more flexible, portable experience without being tied down to a bulky setup. So, who is this for? Well, it's ideal for people on the move. Digital nomads, students, and professionals who want a full Windows experience wherever they are. Whether you're doing light office work, checking emails, or even setting up a multi-display workspace without a traditional desk, the Lunar's got you covered. And with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you'll always have the latest in connectivity to keep you productive no matter where you are. Now let's talk about pricing. Initially, this foldable PC was introduced at a much lower price, around $412 for the base model. However, with its rise in popularity and added improvements, the prices have gone up. You can now snag the 16GB 512GB model for $600 as part of the early bird offer, while the 32GB to 1TB version is priced at $770. In my opinion, the Lunar 2-in-1 Foldable Keyboard PC has a lot of potential for niche users. While it's not for everyone, its portability and functionality make it a unique and handy tool for certain workflows. And who knows, with future iterations powered by chips like AMD Ryzen AI or Intel's Core Ultra, we might see even better performance and battery life. So, if you're looking for a pocket-sized PC that packs a punch, the Lunar might be worth backing on Kickstarter. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting tech content like this. See you in the next video.